Hello everybody, this is Pramod and I hope you're all having a wonderful time out there. So, it's that time of the year. Yes, it is Deepavali tomorrow, my favorite festival. And when we speak about Deepavali, the two important things which are the sweets and the crackers. And 2 days back, I bought the sweets from the Indian stores, which I can show you right now. So I did get some, of course, no Deepavali is complete without laddus. So we have some laddus, we have some kaju and pedas, and some revdi and petas. So usually I get sweets from New Jersey, which is like 2 hours from here for fresh sweets. But this year I did not get chance to travel, so I had to buy these packed sweets. But now that we have sweets, so the next important thing is to get the crackers and fireworks. And that is what I'm heading out to. So let's go. I was at the party depot to get the fireworks. That's where I get the fireworks every year. But unfortunately, they said the shipment from California did not reach and they didn't have the fireworks. So I'm here at the Indian Food and Spice where, I called them before coming and they said they have the fireworks. So let's go inside and see what they have. So finally I finished the shopping of fireworks and I got all the things what I needed. Let's go back home and see again all the packages we got. So stay tuned guys. So guys, finally I've reached home and I've set all the fireworks what I bought. So let's go through them again. So this is the biggest one of all, which says Independence and has some really big ones. Only we'll know tomorrow how big these are. But they're all like more like sparkling ones, not these not like the one which goes into the sky. Some sparklers. This is a small one which has some flares. And this one I am more excited about. This is polka dots. And this just has like a fountain. Cool breeze. Okay, and this one is what I can't wait for. It says mat rolls. So guys, we have the fireworks ready, we have the sweets ready. So the first two things for the festival, we are all set. So the only thing is we start tomorrow, the decoration and the puja, and I just can't wait when it's the morning. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the morning of Diwali and I'm so excited for the day. So last night after the shopping of crackers, then we made some savories. I can show you. So the one, this we call this as, it has several names. It is made from rice flour. We call it murku or jantaklu, and it's basically from the southern side of India, and it's very crispy. And the second dish which we also made is called nipattu or tattai, or this is chekkalu. So it has several names depending on which state of India you're from. So yeah, we made some of these and it came out very well. So yeah, we're gonna try all this, but after the puja, of course. So the next important thing is to wish everybody, the family and friends back in India for Diwali, and I'll meet you again.
Happy Diwali, Pamo.
So I just finished speaking to all my family and friends back in India and wish them for Deepavali. And when you speak to all of them, that's when you realize that you miss India so much, being there, especially during such big festivals. Anyways, so continuing the day, so now that the calls and everything has been done, the last part or the most important part is to help out with the cleaning. So yeah, let's try to clean up the whole house and then decorate it and then get ready for puja. See you later, guys.
One eternity later.
So the cleaning has almost completed now. So now we are in the process of decorating and doing as much as we can. So let me give you a glimpse of what we're trying to achieve here. So you can see some colorful rangolis here. There is some more. Let me go inside and show you. So guys, as you already saw, the decoration part has been done and I am all dressed in the traditional attire, and now it's the time for puja. Let's go. Okay, so guys, as puja is done now, so as per the custom, this time to light the cracker. Let's go. So guys, we had to stop our fireworks in between because we were invited to a friend's place for dinner for Deepavali, and here we are.
Happy Diwali! Come.
What you are doing?
Happy Diwali, auntie.
Diwali, happy
Smile for the camera. We have come to the last part of the festival where we share the sweets with our friends and relatives, and it is totally incomplete when we don't do that. So let's go and distribute some sweets. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali! Happy Diwali!
Ah, holy.
Happy Diwali!
You're nice. Looking nice. Happy Diwali, boss. Happy Diwali. Just for the video.
Otherwise, he'll know.
So I'm finally back after my sweet distribution trip, and finally it's time for me to call it a day. It was a wonderful 3 days of my preparation and celebrating the wonderful festival of Deepavali. I hope you enjoyed too. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.
Happy She's not scared at all. You are scared. She likes it.
मम्मी
See.
हम लोग ना बिल्डिंग में रखता था
हाँ. हाथ में रखते थे.
बड़ी